Good afternoon, it's Saturday the 30th of March. It's been a good day of beekeeping. Got my first sting of the season. Just been stung. So that's good. I'm at Dad's house and tomorrow it's British summertime begins. It's obviously Mother's Day, which is quite nice. All I've looked into is Hive 1 and Hive 3. Just a recap on what's gone on. Last week when I came to look at the bees, I had a quick look in all 3 hives here at Dad's. Hive number 3 is just in a single brood box, but when I opened up then this huge roar came forth and they're queenless. So I've literally split the top box. The queen was in the top box in Hive 1, so I've taken her off. Now, decisions. What do I do? Do I do a split? Do I do a split? To split or not to split? That is the question. I need to split them. Hive 1 was absolutely bursting at the seams. Well, then they've got a massive frame of eggs, really young eggs, that the queen has just laid. So we have a queen. It's lovely, and she's laid in every single cell. Every single cell has been laid. Hope you can see this. Is she lovely? So beautiful. Caramel colour, beautiful. She's got a longer abdomen, see? She's about to lay. She's looking for somewhere to lay. Hive 3 is now merging with the queen from Hive 1. My bees are intelligent bees. They should make quick work of my dad's Daily Mail paper. They won't read it, they'll just destroy it. And I've made sure there's absolutely nothing written about Brexit. The rest of the bees can munch away at that newspaper. So Hive 3 can now smell a queen, so they should be happier. Right, I'm going to wash my hands and leave you with the bees. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll wait and see what happens next week.